Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through the Oaklands apartments on Constant Spring Road in Kingston, Jamaica. And it's a very nice complex. It's a mix between apartments and townhouses. So on the right where you see those towers, those are the apartments. And this is a very large complex. Hundreds of homes. So we're just going to take a quick tour through the complex. And it's built off Constant Spring Road, which is one of the busiest areas in Jamaica. And this was built a couple of years ago, probably like 20 years ago. But it's well maintained, very nice complex. So these are the townhouses now. They have their own driveway. Alright, so straight ahead now is Constant Spring Road. You turn right, you take Constant Spring Road up to the Manor Park area. You turn left, you take Constant Spring Road down to Halfway Tree. You go straight across, you go on West Avenue, and that takes you down to Washington Boulevard. So we're going to go straight across. It's a very tricky light. Okay, then they need to, I don't know, the cars that are on West Avenue turning onto Constant Spring Road going right, they should have an arrow. Anyway, we are on West Avenue now, heading towards Washington Boulevard. If we turn left here, we take Central Avenue back to Constant Spring Road, but there was a recent road change, so you can't access Constant Spring Road from Central Avenue. However, you can access Central Avenue from Constant Spring Road. Okay, so at this intersection, if we turn left, we go onto Dunrobin Avenue, and that takes us up to Constant Spring Road. We turn right, we go onto Washington Boulevard, that takes us down to Mandela Highway and out to Kingston. Okay, now I don't know if that white car just blatantly ran the red light. Unbelievable. Sometimes it could be an accident, but indiscipline on the roads is just outrageous. Alright, so we're now on Washington Boulevard and we're heading towards Mandela Highway. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.